The most dangerous thing on an airplane sits right next to you, inside the wings. The wings as primary fuel tanks. The design is intentional. This allows aircraft to carry huge amounts of fuel efficiently. Placement also improves stability. Fuel weight sits close to the lift source. This keeps the aircraft balanced and easier to control throughout the flight, reduces risk to passengers. Modern aircraft like the Boeing 747 rely heavily on this system. Pilots even manage fuel distribution mid-flight to maintain perfect balance. Those wings do more than lift the plane. They carry the fuel that keeps it stable, efficient, and in the air.